Mantemu no Otumfuo te kokoso sabredi na nanhye ahodo a da nani so se green gun ye pa ho ntoma ye kwayem ye bo ho ban ne yabo ye nsuo ho ban wo pa ho ntoma no yenko Great Hall na yenko hwe de ekoso
Simon Osei Asantehene Regional Minister, Honorable Benito Usubio, Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources and Chairman of the Green Ghana Planning Committee, Honorable Mrekuduka, Deputy Minister for Ministry for Lands and Natural Resources, the Vice Chancellor of KNUST, Professor Mrs. Rita Akosia Dixon, Mr. John Alote, Chief Executive Forestry Commission, Ambassador Ifa Apenten, Council Chairman, and other dignitaries gathered this morning. A chairman of Paya, a my Ghana who dajuni. And she said, "You say, your boy and quiet, and the answer who buy. And until ministry, no, I and she say, Yena and Nayadi, a dust from Con. Nay intimation, Sunny Beya, young quiet. I say this, that it is important that we all come to understand that we have seen a climate emergency hitting with increasing intensity. At the time, climate change induced drought is precipitating hunger and even famine in regions such as the Horn of Africa. Protecting the planet can no more be an option, but it is a major urgent priority. To welcome us to this ceremony is the Honorable Minister for the Ashanti region, a man who has been a former Member of Parliament for Bosomchi. He's also a member of the African Parliament, and currently I can say that he's the longest serving regional minister in Ghana. Let's welcome Honorable Simon Osei.
Thank you very much, my brother. Your Royal Majesty, Otumfuo Osei Tutu the Asantehene, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Samuel Abu Jinapo, Honorable Ministers and Deputy Ministers here present, the Vice Chancellor, KNUST, the Council Chair, KNUST, Members of Parliament, Nananom, heads of security agencies here present, students, metropolitan and municipal chief executives, heads of institutions, my good friend from the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It was indeed a great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the launch of the 2023 edition of the Green Ghana Day here in Kumasi, the garden city of West Africa, under the theme, Our Forests, Our Health. On behalf of the Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene, chiefs and people of the Ashanti region, I wish to express our sincerest gratitude to the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Samuel Abu Jinapo, and the Planning Committee for selecting the Ashanti region and precisely Kumasi to hold the launch of the 3rd edition of the Green Ghana Day. As a region, we count it a great privilege to play host to this important national event. Indeed, the impressive gathering present here today signifies that collectively we agree to the urgent need to protect our environment and ecosystem to ensure a clean and green country. Your Royal Majesty, the Ashanti region has always presented several opportunities because of its rich biodiversity, vibrant culture, and tremendous economic prospects. The region takes pride in its rich natural resources and great tourist sites and many other resources. However, The biggest challenge facing the region is the preservation of the environment to ensure that we do not lose these resources, which are essential for our survival and sustenance. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are all aware of the challenges that climate change poses to the health of our world, and it is our duty as responsible citizens to take appropriate actions and implement sustainable practices that can help mitigate these problems. The best approach to maintain the environment is to vigorously plant trees to restore the country's degraded landscape and mitigate the global impact of climate change. The Green Ghana initiative is therefore a clarion call and a step in the right direction, which should awaken in us a keen sense of responsibility towards the sustenance of the earth. As citizens, we must all acknowledge the fact that we have in many ways contributed to the threat of climate change, and it is time to make amends and collectively change our attitudes and adopt behaviors that are in tune with sustainable management and preservation of our forest cover. And for this reason, that the residents of the Ashanti region have boldly embraced and supported the Green Ghana initiative with confidence. Your Royal Majesty, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to respectfully submit to you that the Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council has been committed to the cause of greening Ghana and subsequently launched the project dubbed Sustainable Cleaning, Greening, and Beautification of Ashanti Region. The objective of the project is to promote clean, green, and beautiful environment within the region and enhance effective public cleaning and waste collection. Currently, the greening component of the project has started with the planting of trees within the medians of the major highways within the region. These will be nurtured to touch on an area of great concern to me. The rate at which illegal miners and lumberjacks keep destroying the environment and farmlands in the region and the country at large is very alarming. In spite of several efforts to curb this wanton act of deforestation to the barest minimum, this cabal of unpatriotic, self-seeking individuals continue to destroy our trees and the environment. It is disheartening that whilst we are planting trees, these unpatriotic citizens keep depleting majority of our forests and destroy our water bodies. As a region, we will, however, not relent in our efforts to curb this, but continue to fight this menace and protect our lands, farmlands, water bodies, and the whole environment. Your Royal Majesty, the Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council and all the 43 assemblies in the region actively participated in the tree planting exercise the previous 2 years, and we are committed to doing even more this year by encouraging our communities to continue to plant trees for the benefit of our dear country. For it is said, when the last tree dies, the last man also dies. I don't think we've taken keen interest in delving deep into this statement. We take it as a simple statement, but it behoves on us to protect our basic life, because without trees, without a vegetative cover, we don't have any life. It's the trees that breathe out oxygen that we breathe in, and we breathe out carbon dioxide, which is used by the trees. So when the last tree dies, there's no oxygen for the human being to breathe in, and that will be the end of the human race. So we have to protect the environment. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we wish to assure you that the Green Ghana initiative will be given the necessary support by the Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council in collaboration with the key stakeholders to ensure its success. The region planted 1 million and almost 6 million in 2021 and 2022 respectively. So this shows, and it's a clear demonstration, how serious we've taken this exercise. On this note, I wish to welcome Your Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene, and all distinguished personalities.